In this video, I'm asking Google Gemini the top 3 ways it recommends using AI to help build, scale, make an agency slash SMMA more profitable. Let's see what it has to say. Gemini, I want you to tell me the top 3 ways you think one could use AI to increase the profitability and scale of a digital marketing SMMA agency.
Okay, here's a breakdown of 3 ways to use AI to make your digital marketing agency more profitable and scalable. First up, AI can make your ad campaigns way more efficient. It can analyze tons of data to figure out which campaigns are working and which aren't, so you can focus on the ones that are bringing in the big bucks. Second, AI can help you automate a lot of the boring stuff, like scheduling social media posts or responding to simple customer questions. This frees up you and your team to focus on the bigger picture stuff, like coming up with creative strategies. And third, AI can help you personalize your marketing messages for each customer. It can analyze what products they're interested in and tailor the ads and content they see to get them excited. This kind of personalization can lead to higher conversion rates and more sales.
All right, that we need to do better than that. So you mentioned that AI can help analyze ad campaigns, but I mean, Meta and Google already do that by default, so that's not that helpful. And for this situation, let's just assume we're running a lead gen agency for dentists. So we're running ads on Google and Meta, we're getting leads, and then our clients are having to try to close those leads into new patients. What are some more specific ways AI can help with that process?
You're right, the big platforms like Meta and Google do have their own built-in analytics, but that doesn't mean there isn't room for improvement. Think of AI as a way to get more insights from the data you already have and to automate some of the tasks that are slowing you down. So for your dental agency, here's a way you could use AI. First, you could use AI to analyze patient reviews and feedback. This can help you identify any recurring issues or pain points that you might need to address. Maybe there's a certain procedure that patients are always asking about, or maybe there's a particular staff member who's getting great feedback. AI could surface insights like that. You could also use AI to create more engaging social media content. For example, if you have before and after photos of dental work, AI could help you come up with attention-grabbing captions for those posts. Or it could even help you generate some short video scripts to make your social media presence really pop.
Okay, that makes sense. I mean, I already use AI like ChatGPT to do those things, help with ad copy. What about one of the biggest pain points for most agencies is lead quality. So as an agency, we're going to generate a lot of leads for our clients. They're going to complain that they can't close the lot clients into new patients or customers or clients or whatever, and then the client might churn. How could AI help with the process of converting the leads that we generate into actual paying customers for our clients?
Okay, so lead quality is definitely a big issue. Here's how AI could help with that. It can create custom lead qualification forms that figure out if a lead is a good fit for your client right off the bat. You can use AI to score leads based on how likely they are to convert into a customer. And finally, you can use AI-powered chatbots to handle initial outreach to leads, which can save your team a bunch of time and potentially even qualify leads faster.
Okay, I'm intrigued with the AI chatbots. Tell me more about how that could work.
So you could set up a chatbot on your website or even through text message. When a potential customer fills out a contact form or requests more info, the chatbot could reach out right away. It could ask some basic questions to qualify the lead, like what kind of dental work they're interested in, what their insurance is like, that sort of thing. Based on the lead's answers, the chatbot could figure out if they're a good fit for your client and either book a consultation or pass the lead along to your team for a more in-depth conversation.
Okay, and what are some of the best tools, the actual softwares that could accomplish that?
Some popular options are ManyChat, which is great for simple chatbots. Or if you want something more complex, you could look into tools like HubSpot or Drift. These can handle more advanced conversations and even integrate with your CRM to keep everything organized. Would you like me to find some specific pricing information for you?
No, that's okay.
Okay, so here's the thing. While AI can be a game changer, it's not a magic bullet. You still need to make sure you have the right people and processes in place to really take advantage of it.
Okay, so you've mentioned the use cases of AI for ad creation and for nurturing the leads after they come in. Do you have any other possible ideas about how AI could innovatively help this service?
Absolutely. AI could help your agency get more creative with your ad campaigns. Instead of just targeting people based on demographics, you could use AI to create super specific audience segments. For example, you could target people who recently moved to the area and probably don't have a dentist yet. Or you could target people with specific dental problems like teeth grinding or snoring and show them ads for treatments that can help.
What do you think about AI video creation, softwares like HeyGen, creating realistic videos? I've thought about for my agency getting AI avatars of my clients, the actual dentists, and then making videos for them at scale, able to test multiple creatives a week. And that would give an edge over the competition. And also, it solves the pain point of dentists want video ads, but they don't want to actually make the video because they're too busy. And oftentimes, they're a little bit awkward on camera.
I think that's a brilliant idea. AI-powered video creation tools are getting really good at making realistic videos. Imagine being able to create a bunch of different ad variations with your client's AI avatar, test them out, and see which ones get the best results. This would not only save your clients time and make them look more professional, but it could also give your agency a major competitive edge.
If you had to quantify as a percentage basis, what level of advantage would an agency that uses AI have over one that doesn't?
It's hard to say exactly without seeing how a specific agency uses AI, but I'd say an agency that uses AI could have anywhere from a 10% to 25% advantage over one that doesn't. It really depends on how creatively they use the technology and how well they integrate it into their workflow.
Okay, thank you.
Anytime. Let me know if anything else.
There you have it, guys. A few ideas about AI. I am implementing with my agency both things I talked about, the AI lead nurture, as well as AI for ad creatives. And if you've been following my channel, I'm also experimenting with setting up AI cold calling for my agency, where the AI bot actually just cold calls 24/7, tries to get clients to book meetings with me. And this is a way to actually get new clients from my agency rather than using AI to get my agency client results. So stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel for more insights on agencies, AI, entrepreneurship, business. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.